everybody. Sharice Davids here. I am back in DC after just spending 2 weeks back home in Kansas. We had a bunch of great events while I was back home, and I wanted to highlight one of them. We had a discussion, a roundtable discussion about the cost of prescription drugs. And we did that because we know that too many people are struggling with the cost of healthcare, and that often prescription drug costs are a huge piece of that. And so what we did was we tried to bring together a panel of a variety of people. We had a mom there who's struggling to make sure that her daughter has access to insulin. We had a pharmacy director who is in the weeds on this every single day. We had a cancer survivor, and then we also had a bunch of people who participated as community members, whether they're patients, providers. And after that roundtable, I wanted to make sure that everybody knows. I looked around, we found a couple of bills for me to co-sponsor, and we'll put the bill text in the comments and in a thread so that you can click on it, look at the bills if you want to. And one is to get generics to the market quicker, because we know that if we can get the generics to the market quicker, then it will drive down the cost of prescription drugs. And the other one is to increase transparency to make sure that prescription drug companies are not gaming the system and making it more expensive for people to get drugs that they should, prescription drugs that they should have access to, because we know a lot of people, they themselves, their loved ones need access to these prescription drugs for their well-being, for their family's well-being, and we want to make sure that happens. So please continue to be on the lookout on our social media, on our newsletter, because we're going to have more roundtable discussions on a variety of topics, because the roundtable we had felt like such a great space for us to learn from the community and from the experts. And I look forward to seeing you back in Kansas. Have a good day.